She ate that your
Yeah.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Somebody put something with that I ain't went out the next day. My heart running away. Beating like a drum and it's coming your way.
Don't you hear that boom, 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 bass?
Like a super bass.
Boom, 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 bass.
It's one for the boys in the polos, entrepreneurs and moguls.
Alicia. Oh my God, you did not hear that? That loud noise like my sister cousin snoring. Mad loud.
I really got think the American guys on me. Trying many times, see you just pretending it's like, oh, yes I did. Somebody please put me as I is. I am making me out of my idea of power.
Alicia. Oh my God, let's see. Look at it on my phone. Look at it on my phone. Wait, where is that? We hear it? Where's she at? There you go. OMG, that is. You hear that? Wait, stop the phone.
What's her name? What's her name?
Alicia.
Who are her?
Neat. That's her nickname. Neat.
Neat.
Yeah.
They got Neat.
Shut up, shut up.
Neat, just
Shut the fuck up. Alicia, you hear that?
Mm-hmm. Who likes Twilight?
Shut the oh, huh?
Who likes Twilight?
Who likes Spider-Man?
Twilight.
I don't watch Twilight. Alicia. Alicia. Shut up.
Dang, did she start a cheering?
You hear that, right?
Yeah.
This is cracking me. Alicia. Hey, Deja.
Hey. Can she breathe?
Hey, Jalen. I don't know. You asked her.
Looks like she choking. Can you breathe?
Shut up.
She choking.
Shut up.
She choking on her own tongue.
Alicia. Did you just say she's choking on her own tongue?
Yeah.
Alicia, you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going. Shut up.
I'm really scared of her. Like,
You scared of her?
I'm scared for her. Like, what the heck is going on?
She okay. Wait, Alicia.
I heard people snore, but not like that.
I know, right? Don't matter. Try not to laugh. Shut up, shut up.
Wait, come here. Why her nostrils look like that on mine? Look at her.
She said, look at her nostrils. Alicia.
Why her nostrils look like that?
You're so wrong. You know, you wrong. You wrong for that.
Look at her now.
You so wrong.
Move.
Oh my God, she got a big gorilla nostril.
Wow.
Alicia, this is crazy.
Is it a girl or a boy?
A girl.
Look down her mouth. Look down her throat. You see that?
That's a girl.
No. Look, it's like a hole. It's like a hole where her throat should be.
Oh my God. Alicia. Alicia.
Huh?
This is crazy.
Not in the room.
No, we downstairs.
It'd be funny if her
Deja, move.
It's funny for eyes.
She got that bright light on her.
I swear.
If her eyes was more straight, it was like, oh, crap.
Let me see y'all. Put it right here so I can see it.
Better not drop it. Ew.
She breathed down there. He's like.
That's really creepy.
Look, shut up. Yeah.